all of you. Today we are students of class 8 going to tell you a little bit about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Today my friend Natik will initiate.
Hi friends, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born in 14 April 1891 and ended his journey on 6 December 1956.
Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was an Indian jurist, economist and Dalit leader who headed the committee drafting the Constitution of India. From the Constituted Assembly debates, served as Law and Justice Minister in the first cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru and inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement after renouncing Hinduism.
Ambedkar graduated from Elphinstone College, University of Bombay and studied economics at Columbia University and the London School of Economics, receiving doctorates in 1927 and 1923 respectively, and was among a handful of Indian students to have done so at either institution in the 1920s.
He also trained in laws at Grace in London. In his early career, he was economist professor and lawyer. His later were marked by political activities. He became involved in campaign and negotiation of India's independence, publishing journals advocating political rights and social freedom for Dalits, and contributing significantly to establish the state of India. In 1956, he converted to Buddhism, initiating mass conservation of Dalits.
In 1990, Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, was a past missile conferred on Ambedkar. The salutation Jai Bhim was by followers honor him. He was also referred to by a honorific Baba Sahib. Thank you. Hope you enjoy our video.